How to delete a post on Facebook Lite. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a post on Facebook Lite. In order to delete a Facebook Lite post, you will need to first open your Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now, tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then you will be taken to your profile page. Now once you reach to your profile page, here you will be able to see different tabs. Simply select this post tab, and then you will need to scroll down to find the post that you want to delete. Once you find the post that you would like to delete, you will need to simply tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your post. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see this pop-up menu at the bottom. Now from here, you will need to select the option Move to Trash. Simply tap on it and then this pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on this Move option in order to move your post to the trash. Posts that are moved to the recycle bin or trash are not immediately deleted. They will be deleted after 30 days. But if you'd like to delete it before 30 days, then you will need to first come back to the previous home page and then tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. By doing so, you will be taken to this menu page. Here now you will need to scroll to find Settings option. If you didn't see this Settings option, you may simply tap on the Settings and Privacy, and then you will be able to see the Settings option. Now simply tap on it, and now here you will need to scroll to find the Activity Log option. Once you locate the Activity Log option, simply tap on it, and inside it here you will be able to locate the trash icon. Simply tap on this trash or the dustbin icon, and here you will see the post that you have moved to the trash. In order to delete it, simply select the checkbox at the left side and then tap on the dustbin icon at the bottom right. A pop-up will appear. Simply tap on Yes button, and then you will be able to permanently delete your post on Facebook Lite. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete posts on your Facebook Lite account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.